Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Lastly, enter your current login method and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!